Making a powerful PowerPoint slideshow is crucial, whether you're a student, a business person, or a corporate representative. The importance of a top-notch presentation spans various fields, and its impact on your scholastic, work, or commerce life is significant. However, assembling an eye-catching PowerPoint that grabs your viewers' focus and clearly delivers your points has typically been a complex and lengthy process. Designing an effective presentation requires not just subject matter knowledge, but also a discerning eye for design, structure, and visual attraction. Yet, thanks to modern technological progress, utilizing AI capabilities can turn this previously arduous task into an incredibly streamlined and user-friendly experience. In the current tutorial, I'll unveil a stepwise guide for crafting a captivating PowerPoint show using AI technology. So let's get started without delay. First, launch a fresh browser tab and look for Slades.ai, then click the top result. Next, initiate the extension installation by clicking Install. You'll need to log in with your Google account to complete the setup. Once installed, open a fresh tab and start a Google Slide project where you'll build your presentation. So where does AI come into play? To activate the AI feature, click the extension icon and navigate to Slide.io. Here, you'll encounter three choices: Generate Slide, Magic Edit, and Help. Choose Generate Slide to commence your first presentation creation using AI Journey. I'll delve into the Magic Edit function at a later stage. Loading the workspace might take a moment. Okay, the Slide AI interface. You're required to respond to queries to complete your profile setup. Pick your job title, indicate how frequently you make presentations, and finally, note how you discovered Slide AI. Just choose a single answer and hit the Next button. On this screen, there's an option for an invite code. For instance, you can input 360 to 296. This step is optional. All right, welcome to the slide creation screen. You have two routes for generating slides: either use a pre-existing document or text, or simply work off a concept. Let's opt for From a Topic. I'll explore this option too. Click on the From a Topic selection. Now, you'll need to provide your main theme. I'll type in the economy of the United Kingdom as an example. The subsequent text box allows for added details to include in the slides, although this is optional. On the right panel, you have the option to alter the slide count. Also ensure the image checkbox is selected. Once everything's in place, press the Create Slides button. The AI will then require a bit of time to assemble your slides. Meanwhile, feel free to view instructional videos detailing how to edit slides using Slide AI. Great, our slides are complete. Let's examine them. They look fantastic. The design is sharp and the content is noteworthy. I'm impressed by the visual elements. It all appears so polished. What's your take? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you find it helpful, don't hesitate to spread the word among your contacts. Next up, let's explore another function. I'll now craft a slide using textual content. My presentation, titled Creating a Presentation via AI Using Copy-Paste, will focus on Brexit. I'll grab some text from Wikipedia and transfer it to Slide AI. You need to input a character count ranging from 350 to 2,500 for slide creation. Okay, let's proceed with copying and pasting the text into Slide AI. I've inputted over 2,500 characters, requiring me to trim down the content a bit. While you can go above 2,500 characters, you'll need to upgrade to a premium subscription for that. After making adjustments akin to what we did previously, hit Create Slides and give it a moment to work its magic. Voila! Our presentation is ready to go. As you'll notice, the slides are not only well organized, but also visually engaging. Slide AI even incorporates charts and imagery, which is quite impressive. Now let's explore the Magic Edit feature, which I've already enabled. To use this, first select the Magic Edit tab. This powerful editor allows you to rephrase any section of text. Navigate to the left sidebar and choose the Paraphrase Sentences option. Highlight the specific text you want to rephrase and click on Fetch Highlighted Text. Then choose your desired tone and language and click Paraphrase Sentences. You'll be presented with 3 alternate versions of the text, allowing you to pick the one that best suits your needs. Okay, now let's explore the image editing function. Select the slide you want to enhance and click on the Suggest Image tab. If a slide does not contain any image, no suggestions will be offered. However, if an image is already present, you will have a large number of alternative options to choose from. You can also search to replace the image if you wish. Simply select the appropriate one and then click on your preferred alternative, and then on Use this image. The update will take place instantly. Now let's move on to downloading the presentation. You have the option to download it as a PPT file, making it compatible with Microsoft PowerPoint for further edits or presentations. And here is the final presentation preview ready to be viewed. Let's take a look at the presentation we created together. Before that, I would like to say that we have come to the end of this training. I would love to hear your feedback about your experience in creating presentations with AI-powered tools. Please share your impressions and conclusions in the comments below. If you found this guide useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy creating. Let's watch.